Hello and welcome to the Deluxe Travel. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour of Now Larimar Punta Cana 1127. This is a post-renovation tour. So you can see they still have the old room keys. When you walk in, you have a nice, white, clean room. Here you have your cloak closet. And next is where they keep the safe and the iron. And the washroom has a separate shower area and toilet stall for some privacy so that two people can use this at the same time. The hotel provides conditioner and body gel. The shower doors only swing one way, or you're going to end up hitting the sink. The bathroom does come with the jacuzzi. You can see the shower head is wrapped around the faucet, which leads me to believe some of the amenities are not finished yet. This, in previous videos I think I've seen, was a window, whereas now it's a sliding door to the rest of the room, or a sliding window, sorry. But you can at least close that for a little more privacy. Alright, as we continue in, here is your coffee and your mini bar. Stocked with local beers, Cokes, Fantas, water. Now, another thing that leads me to believe things are unfinished, these look like the old furniture is being retrofitted, because this is not on. And again, there's very little storage. We only have these 4 drawers for storage drawers, along with the 2 sides. So here we have, though, the king size bed. Seems to be custom fit in, so it's not rearrangeable to the double queens this room. And you can see the mess that we have because of lack of storage. This, I imagine, is the desk. However, there's no chair. As well, this does not have a couch, just a little bistro table. As for plugs, we got enough plugs. You got 2 USBs on either side of the bed and a universal plug. And as for laptops and such, the only plug accessible would be here, because underneath there's one there, and built in behind there is another one. And these desks are not movable. Here you have a nice sleek panel that hides the TV when you don't want to be using it. And that pretty much completes this room tour. Things we've noticed that are missing that we would really have enjoyed is a full-length mirror. That is not here. There's no clock in the room. This is your access panel for the lights. I can show you we're on the ground floor garden or tropical view. Well, this is neat though. If you give the shades a little tug, they're on an auto retract. And then there's your patio. It's got a child safety lock there. And then close that up. Missing is a deadbolt on the door. This bolt does not latch, and we are traveling with children, and there is no deadbolt to be released from the inside only. Because we are in a family suite, we do have an adjoining room, and their service is there at the moment.
Okay.
And the room is pretty much identical, except this one is the twin beds. But everything is exactly the same. Okay. I hope you've enjoyed this Dixie Cup Travels room tour of the Now Larimar's Punta Cana post-renovation room tour. As always, if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.